Russian course, level beginner, lesson 4. In this lesson, you will learn how to count from 11 to 100. Also to ask a question, how old are you, and answer to this question. This lesson contains 4 exercises, thus you will be able to test your knowledge. Numbers from 11 to 19. Listen and repeat, then pause the video and read them. Number 1. 11. Number 2. 12. Number 3. 13. Number 4. 14. Number 5. 15. Number 6. 16. Number 7. 17. Number 8. 18. Number 9. 19. Exercise 1. Pause the video, calculate and say the result in Russian. For example, if you add 8 and 2, you get 10. 10. The next slide will help you check yourself. Check yourself. Number 1. 11. Number 2. 13. Number 3. 19. Number 4. 12. Number 5. 16. Number 6. 18. Number 7. 17. Number 8. 15. Number 9. 14. Numbers from 20 to 100. Listen and repeat, then pause the video and read them. Number 1. 20. Number 2. 30. Number 3. 40. Number 4. 50. Number 5. 60. Number 6. 70. Number 7. 80. Number 8. 90. Number 9. 100. Exercise 2. Pause the video, complete the rows, and say the result in Russian. For example, 2, 4, 6. All these numbers are even ones, so the missing number is 8. 8. The next slide will help you check yourself. Check yourself. Number 1. 7. Number 2. 15. Number 3. 50. Number 4. 9. Number 5. 30. Number 6. 16. Number 7. 70. Number 8. 6. Number 9. 20. Number 10. 10. Numbers. Now let's see how to pronounce tens ending ones. Number 1. 21. Number 2. 32. Number 3. 45. Number 4. 73. Number 5. 68. As you see, first we name tens, then ones. Exercise 3. Put down what you hear in numbers. For example, I say 12. You need to write down 12 in numbers. You can see the example on your left. You're going to write 8 numbers. Let's start. Number 1. 4. Number 2. 11. Number 3. 25. Number 4. 30. Number 5. 67. Number 6. 90. Number 7. 35. Number 8. 18. Check yourself. Number 1. 4. Number 2. 11. Number 3. 25. Number 4. 30. Number 5. 67. Number 6. 90. Number 7. 35. Number 8. 18. How old are you? Number 1. Сколько тебе лет? How old are you? Number 2. Сколько can be translated as how old in this question, which literally means how many. Number 3. Тебе is one of the forms of the pronoun ты, you. Number 4. Лет means years. Listen and repeat, then pause the video and read them. Number 1. Сколько тебе лет? Number 2. Сколько? Number 3. Тебе. Number 4. Лет. Answer. Number 1. Сколько тебе лет? How old are you? To this question you can answer in 2 ways. Answer number 1. Мне 31. I am 31. Мне is one of the forms of the pronoun я, I. Or just name your age. Answer number 2. 31. Exercise 4. Imagine that you are these characters. Pause the video and answer the question in the first person. For example, Мне 40. I am 40. Answer to the question. Picture number 1. Сколько тебе лет? Picture number 2. Сколько тебе лет? Picture number 3. Сколько тебе лет? Check yourself. Picture number 1. Мне 28. Picture number 2. Мне 46. Picture number 3. Мне 63. Thank you for the lesson. Please like, share and subscribe below for updates weekly. See you next time. Bye.